As you now know, you will need a special software to complete the concept maps for this class. This software is called CmapTools. It is available via the cloud and it's free of charge to you. You will have to go to the website listed here, cmap.ihmc.us/ and you will come to the home page for the CmapTools. In exchange for utilizing this software, all the maps created within CMap are downloaded to a database for the creators of the software for their use for promotional and or research purposes. But other than that, the software is free of use to you. Once you get to the home page, you will go to this link called Products. Scroll down to CMap Cloud and CmapTools in the cloud. Once you read through the features and how CMap is used, all the different versions, you want to get the free version, so you go ahead and get started. At this point, you either have to create an account or sign in if you already have an account. Clearly, by the time you create Map 2, you will already have an account, but for the first time, you need to create an account. Here, you can use your FAU email address, but please use a different password. But you have to make note of this login information because you will need it at some point in the future. Since I already have a CmapTools account associated with my FAU email, I'm going to use a different email address. And again, create a password that you can remember. So once you've done that, then they'll send an activation email to your account, which you will have to access so that you can finalize the activation. I have now gone to my Gmail account listed here and clicked on the activation link, which brought me back to this page. So now I can log in, use the password that you created a few minutes ago. If I could remember that, that would be good. So now you're ready to use CMap. You know that you have an account because your first name should be listed here, and you are ready to start building your maps. So this is the end of this tutorial for accessing CMap from the cloud. Be sure to view the tutorial on how to actually use the software, which I'll be posting within the same folder. Thank you for listening.